morning, student. Today we discuss about 11th commerce subject. So in this video we discuss a new chapter, that is objectives of business. In the previous classes we discussed about the historical background of commerce. So in that we discussed various topics, that is barter system, hindrance of commerce, and then difficulties of barter system, and commercial trade in the ancient period. These are some of the major topics we discussed in the previous chapter, in the previous videos. So in this video we discuss about the objectives of business, second chapter. So in this second chapter we discuss about the human activities, economic activities, non-economic activities, and various types of economic activities, difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. So first we discuss about the meaning of human activities. So human activity is an activity performed by a human being to meet his or her needs and wants, or maybe for personal satisfaction. That is, human activities means it is one of the activity needs and wants are to be satisfied for the personal satisfaction of the human beings. That type of activities are called as human activity. Human activities can be categorized into economic and non-economic activities. Economic activity means activities undertaken with the object of earning money are called economic activity. That is, those activities which are taken in order to earning money, that type of activities are called as economic activities. This is the chart showing various economic activities, human activities, various types of human activities. This chart will shows. Non-economic activities means, that is, activities undertaken to satisfy social and psychological needs are called non-economic activities. That is, those activities undertaken to satisfy the social needs and also the psychological needs are called as non-economic activities, such as examples: cooking food for family, celebrating festivals, etc. And there are some difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. There are some differences between economic and non-economic activities. So economic activities point of view, the first point is definition. First point is definition. That is, economic activities are those activities which are undertaken to earn money or financial gain. That type of activity is called as economic activities. Non-economic activities means it will be satisfy the needs of the social and psychological needs. That is, non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken for the sake of pleasure, performed out of love and sympathy, etc. Motive. In the case of economic activity, sole motive is to earn money or financial gain. In the case of non-economic activities, undertaken for satisfaction of social and psychological or emotional needs. That type of motive is in the case of non-economic activity. Money measurement. All economic activities can be valued in monetary terms. So all economic activities are to be measured in case of money. But in the case of non-economic activities, it cannot be valued in monetary terms. These are an expression of a thought, feeling, or a gesture. So it is one of the feelings, satisfaction given, and also expectations to be satisfied. So that type of activity is called as non-economic activities. Relationship. Economic activities are related to creative of wealth. So wealth creation is the main motive of the economic activities. So the relationship is to the wealth. All economic activities are related to wealth, earning of money. But non-economic activities do not create wealth. Next, outcome. All economic activities result to production, procurement, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. So those economic activities involve production of product, purchase of product, distribution of the product, and also consumption of goods, sometimes the service also. The end result of a non-economic activity is the mental, emotional, or psychological satisfaction of the person doing the activity. Those who do the activity, he should be satisfied. He should get feelings how the work will be completed. So that type of feeling is called as a non-economic activities. Next, duration. Economic activity. Duration. Economic activity are repetitive. They are done on a regular basis to earn a living. So it is a regular routine work. In order to earn money, in order to live happily, the duration will be a long time. Non-economic activities may not be undertaken regularly. Usually they are done during free time. So that type of activity is called as non-economic activity. Source of initiation. Economic activities are initiated to satisfy human needs and wants. So all economic activities are to be done in order to satisfy the human needs and wants. Non-economic activities are initiated to satisfy emotional or sentimental pleasures. So all non-economic activities are to be emotional one and also feeling one in order to complete the work. So types of economic activities. So economic activities are undertaken to earn money. So generally people engage themselves in such activities on a regular basis and are said to be engaged in their occupation. So mostly the economic activities are related to earning money and in order to engage themselves to earn money by doing their occupations, engage in their occupations. Occupations may be classified into three categories based on the following: employment, profession, business. So occupation will be classified into three categories on the basis of employment, on the basis of profession, and on the basis of business. So with that we conclude this video. So students, you can go through it, learn all the concept about the meaning of human activity, non-economic activities, meaning, examples, and also the difference between economic activity and non-economic activity, and three types of economic activities. So we can continue the same chapter in the next video. Thank you.